How to fix at this time your account is not eligible to use this feature when trying to go live on Instagram. So, first of all, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of Instagram. If you are on iPhone, you want to go ahead and simply open up your App Store, and then in the search bar, you can simply search for Instagram. Once you search for it, simply tap onto it and make sure you update the app. If not, simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Now next, open up Instagram and check if the live is working or not. If the issue still continues, you want to go ahead and simply tap on your profile icon right over here. Tap on this three-line icon, non-search here, scroll down, and then simply tap on report a problem. Now, simply explain the issue and attach a screenshot of the error message. Once submitted, Instagram will review your report and may restore access if the restrictions were caused by an account or app-related issue. Also, make sure that your account follows Instagram community guidelines and isn't restricted due to recent violation. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.